Welcome to Survival DIY Projects. This channel is about real skills, real learning, and real mechanical work. Today's video is a powerful example of knowledge, patience, and determination. This is the story of a genius girl working on a heavy machine, an excavator with a faulty oil pump. Many people think heavy machinery repair requires only strength, but real repair requires understanding. The excavator arrived with low oil pressure, overheating issues, and unstable hydraulic performance. Instead of guessing, she begins with proper diagnoses. The oil pump is the heart of any excavator system. If it fails, lubrication stops and damage begins. She carefully drains the oil and removes the pump step by step. No rushing, no force. Each component is inspected closely. Worn seals, scoring marks, and contamination are clearly visible. This is where education matters. Repair is not about replacing parts blindly. It's about knowing why they failed. The pump housing is cleaned thoroughly. Internal parts are measured and checked for tolerance. Damaged seals are replaced with correct specifications. Using the right oil and proper assembly is critical. Even a small mistake can cause system failure. After reassembly, the oil pump is installed back correctly. Bolts are tightened to proper torque. Oil lines are secured. The system is primed before startup, because dry running can destroy a pump in seconds. When the excavator starts, oil pressure stabilizes. Smooth operation returns. This repair is not just mechanical work. It's proof that skill has no gender. Inside the pump, contamination and worn seals are found. This explains the pressure loss. The pump components are cleaned using proper methods. No abrasive shortcuts. Seals are replaced with correct grade parts. Incorrect seals can fail under pressure. Clearances are checked. Oil flow depends on accurate tolerances. Reassembly is done in correct sequence. Orientation matters. Lubrication during assembly prevents dry damage. Before starting the engine, the pump is primed with oil. This step is often ignored and often costly. After startup, oil pressure is monitored. Everything runs smoothly. This repair shows that heavy equipment maintenance is about knowledge and discipline instead of guessing. She begins with proper diagnoses. The oil pump is the heart of any excavator system. If it fails, lubrication stops and damage begins. She carefully drains the oil and removes the pump step by step. No rushing, no force. Each component is inspected closely. Worn seals, scoring marks, and contamination are clearly visible. Instead of guessing, she begins with proper diagnosis. The oil pump is the heart of any excavator system. Inside the pump, contamination and worn seals are found. This explains the pressure loss. The pump components are cleaned using proper methods. No abrasive shortcuts. Seals are replaced with correct grade parts. Incorrect seals can fail under pressure. Clearances are checked. Before touching any tool, she checks the basics: oil level, oil condition, external leaks. Dirty or contaminated oil is often the first sign of internal damage. Ignoring it can lead to major failure. Only after confirming the problem does the repair begin. This is an important lesson. Real repair starts with understanding, not assumptions. Heavy machines like excavators depend on one critical system: lubrication. And at the center of that system is the oil pump. When an oil pump fails, the entire machine is at risk. Low oil pressure can destroy bearings, damage moving parts, and shut down operations completely. The excavator in today's video arrived with clear symptoms: low oil pressure, unusual noise, and unstable performance. Instead of starting the repair immediately, she begins with what every professional mechanic understands once the pump is opened. The problem becomes visible: worn seals, contaminated oil residue, clear signs of pressure loss. This is where education matters. Repair is not just about replacing parts. It's about knowing why they failed. Poor maintenance, dirty oil. Every component is cleaned thoroughly. Cleanliness is critical in oil pump repair. Even small particles can cause pressure, loss, or scoring. The pump housing is inspected for wear. Internal components are checked for damage and tolerance. This step separates professional repair from temporary fixes. Damaged seals are replaced with correct specification seals. Using the wrong seal material can lead to failure under pressure or temperature. Each part is installed carefully. Orientation matters. Clearances matter. This is precision work. Proper assembly. During reassembling, components are lubricated lightly. This prevents dry friction during the first startup. Bolts are tightened in correct sequence. Proper torque is applied. No shortcuts. No guesswork. This is how reliability is built. Installation and system priming. The oil pump is installed back into the excavator. Oil lines are secured. Connections are double-checked. Before starting the engine, the system is primed with oil. This step is often ignored. Now comes the moment of truth. The excavator starts. Oil pressure builds smoothly. No abnormal noise. No warning signs. It's about knowledge. It's about discipline. It's about proving that skill has no gender. Heavy machinery repair is not about strength. It's about understanding systems and respecting processes. This genius girl shows that with learning, patience, and focus, any challenge can be handled professionally. Outro, subscribe, call to action. If you learned something from this video, make sure to subscribe to Survival DIY Projects. On this channel, you'll find excavator repairs, heavy machinery maintenance, and real DIY mechanical education. Like the video, share it with others who want to learn real skills, and subscribe to Survival DIY Projects for more honest and professional repair work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project.